Some AI tools are so powerful, they honestly feel like they shouldn't be free. In this video, I'll show you 7 AI tools that give you an unfair advantage.
Welcome to Clarity AI Studio, where we make AI simple and practical.
This first tool feels illegal. You type text, and it generates a voice that sounds completely human.
No microphone, no recording, no editing. Let's try a simple example.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work by saving time and increasing productivity.
That's not a real person, that's AI. You can use this for YouTube videos, ads, or even client work. What used to take time and equipment now takes seconds. Normally, turning a long video into short clips takes hours. You have to watch everything, cut the best moments, and add captions manually. But with Opus Clip, you just upload your video. The AI analyzes it, finds the best moments, and turns them into ready-to-post clips, with captions, framing, and everything done for you. What used to take hours now takes minutes.
Creating presentations usually takes a lot of time. You need to plan the structure, design each slide, and organize your ideas. It's not just work, it's time-consuming work. But with Gamma AI, you don't start from scratch. You just describe your topic, and it instantly generates a full presentation. Slides, structure, and design, all done automatically. You can even edit and customize everything easily. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Most people still use Google the same way. Search, open multiple tabs, and try to find the answer. It works, but it takes time. Perplexity changes this completely. You ask a question, and it gives you a direct answer instantly, with sources included. So instead of searching, you get results immediately. It's faster, cleaner, and much more efficient. Building a website usually takes time and effort. You need design, content, and setup. But with Durable AI, it's different. You just enter your business type, and the AI generates a complete website in seconds. Layout, text, and structure, all done for you. You can edit it, customize it, and publish it immediately. This is one of the fastest ways to go online. Video editing used to require advanced skills. Cutting, masking, effects, it takes time to learn. But Runway changes that. With AI, you can remove backgrounds, generate scenes, and edit videos with just a few clicks. What used to take hours now takes minutes. This opens the door for anyone to create high-quality content. And this might be the most surprising tool on the list. You type a simple idea, and it generates a full song. Lyrics, music, and vocals, all created by AI. This shows how far AI has come and how creative tools are changing completely.
The way you smile, it lights my day, chasing all the clouds away.
These tools aren't just helpful. They give you an unfair advantage, and the people who start using them early will always stay ahead. If you want more practical AI tools like this, subscribe to Clarity AI Studio and check the next video on your screen.